Myself is Ajay Kumar Jha and I'm from Civil Department first year.
Myself, Badal Singh, I am from Civil Department first year.
Hi, I am Sapan Singh. I am from Civil Department first year.
My name is Joyindu Chakraborty. I am from first year Civil Department.
My name is Initra Gol. I am from Civil Department first year.
My name is Indot Banerjee. I am from Civil Department first year. So, our topic for the project is hollow prism, and our main aim for this project is we have to use different liquids like sugar solution, salt solution, glycerin, and normal water, and thus calculate the diffractive index by calculating the minimum deviation. So this is the prism that we have. These are the different solutions that we have. We have drawn the diagram over here through which we will measure the different angles. We have a laser over here and all the solutions and all the measuring tools.
And now we are filling water. And we have made a dye funnel. And now I am sealing the hollow prism so that there is no leakage. And now we are passing the laser light. And now we are passing the laser light through the water solution in the hollow prism, and we can see the angle of incidence and the angle of emergence.
So now I am putting this pencil here on this refracted emergence angle line. This will help us understand the exact angle. So let me just put the pencil. So we can see the exact dot being casted on the pencil. This will help us determine the exact point, and thus we can connect the 2 points, and thus we can find the angle of emergence. So now I'm gonna draw the line and thus calculate the angle of emergence. For that I'm removing the prism right now because I have already taken the point over here. So this is the point that we have. Upon drawing a line, first this is the incident ray. It will move parallel first inside the prism, then it will bend like this. So upon drawing the line, so and this is the incidence normal that I have drawn on this side of the prism. So this angle will be the angle of emergence, and upon calculation using a protractor, the angle comes approx 38 degrees. So this angle comes out to be 38 degree angle of emergence, and upon track backing this angle of emergence, if we join it to this point and extend the angle of incidence like this angle comes out to be the angle of minimum deviation. So again we are using a protractor to calculate this value, the angle of minimum deviation.
Now we are performing our experiment for the third time using the third set of capacitor with third set of area, placing the dielectric material. As for the reading comes to 4.8.
This angle upon calculation comes out to be 24 degrees. So the del minimum for water, this is water, is 24 degrees, the angle of emergence is 38 degrees, and the incident angle is 45 degrees. Now we have to calculate the refractive index.
And now we are pouring the salt water.
Just like we did for normal water.
And now we have used the salt solution, and we are repeating the same process by using the laser light and passing it through the salt solution. And here we can see the emergent ray and the incident rays. And now we are using the sugar solution. We are pouring it into the hollow prism.
बनाइए वैसा क्या करो
And now we are passing the laser light through the sugar solution, and we will thus take the readings once more. Emptying this hollow prism, our friend will throw the water. And now we are using the glycerin and repeating the same process. Use this to seal the hollow prism. And now we are passing the laser through the glycerin in the hollow prism. And we are seeing the light is incident through here and it is emerging there. The emergent ray is there. These are the actual values, and these are the values that we have calculated through the experiment.